How to get boarding pass from Priceline. Priceline is a popular online travel agency that helps users find and book discounted travel services, including hotels, flights, car rentals. In order to get boarding pass, first you have to log into your Priceline account. Locate the specific trip for which you need the boarding pass. You may need to enter your flight details, such as your last name and confirmation number, if prompted. Once you find your trip, click on it to view more details. Look for options to print, email, or download your itinerary. Check your email or phone for a message from Priceline containing your boarding pass. That's it. Thanks for watching.